The breakfast hunger bug. Why does it happen? We've all been there. You eat breakfast, feeling full and ready to start the day, but an hour or two later your stomach starts rumbling. Why does this happen? It can be frustrating to feel hungry so soon after eating. Understanding the reasons behind this common problem is the first step to fixing it. There are many factors that can contribute to feeling hungry after breakfast. These range from the composition of your meal to your individual metabolism and lifestyle habits. By exploring these factors, we can identify what might be triggering your post-breakfast hunger and find effective solutions to keep you feeling full and satisfied until lunchtime. One major factor is the type of food you consume. Foods high in refined sugars and low in fiber can cause a rapid spike in blood sugar, followed by a quick drop, leading to hunger pangs. Including protein, healthy fats, and fiber in your breakfast can help stabilize blood sugar levels and keep you feeling full longer. Your morning routine and physical activity levels also play a role. High activity levels can increase your metabolism, making you feel hungry sooner. Additionally, the timing of your breakfast and your sleep patterns can influence your hunger levels. Eating breakfast too early or too late can disrupt your body's natural hunger cues. By paying attention to these factors and making small adjustments, you can better manage your hunger and enjoy a more satisfying start to your day. Stay tuned as we dive deeper into each of these aspects and provide practical tips to help you conquer the breakfast hunger bug once and for all. Not enough fuel. The calorie connection. One of the simplest explanations for feeling hungry after breakfast is that you're not eating enough calories. Calories provide your body with energy. When you don't consume enough calories, your body signals hunger to encourage you to eat more. The number of calories you need at breakfast varies depending on your age, gender, activity level, and overall dietary needs. However, most adults should aim for a breakfast that provides at least 300 to 400 calories to sustain energy levels and prevent hunger pangs. The protein powerhouse, keeping hunger at bay. Protein is an essential nutrient that plays a crucial role in satiety, the feeling of fullness and satisfaction after eating. Compared to carbohydrates and fats, protein takes longer to digest and keeps you feeling fuller for longer. Including a good source of protein in your breakfast can help regulate your appetite and prevent those mid-morning hunger pangs. Good breakfast options rich in protein include eggs, Greek yogurt, nuts, seeds, and lean meats. Fiber, your secret weapon against hunger pangs. Like protein, fiber is another nutritional powerhouse that can significantly impact your hunger levels. Fiber is a type of carbohydrate that your body can't digest. It adds bulk to your meals, slows down digestion, and promotes regular bowel movements. High fiber foods also help stabilize blood sugar levels, preventing the rapid spikes and crashes that can lead to increased hunger and cravings. Incorporate fiber into your breakfast with options like oatmeal, whole grain bread, fruits, and vegetables. Sugar rush, hunger crash, the glycemic index explained. The glycemic index, or GI, measures how quickly a food raises your blood sugar level. Foods high on the GI scale, such as sugary cereals and pastries, cause a rapid spike in blood sugar, followed by a crash. This blood sugar roller coaster can leave you feeling hungry and craving more sugary foods soon after eating. Opt for low GI breakfast choices like oatmeal, whole grain bread, and high-protein foods to keep your blood sugar levels stable and prevent those energy dips. Hydration. Are you mistaking thirst for hunger? It's a common mistake that many of us make without even realizing it. Sometimes what we perceive as hunger is actually our body's way of signaling thirst. Our bodies can send mixed signals, and it's easy to confuse the two. Dehydration can manifest as feelings of hunger, leading us to reach for a snack when we really need a glass of water. This can result in unnecessary calorie intake and can affect our overall health. Make it a habit to start your day with a large glass of water before breakfast. This simple practice can set a positive tone for the rest of your day. This helps rehydrate your body after sleep and can prevent mistaking thirst for hunger. When you wake up, your body is naturally dehydrated, and drinking water first thing can help kickstart your metabolism. Keep a water bottle handy throughout the morning and sip on it regularly to stay hydrated and avoid those false hunger signals. By keeping yourself hydrated, you can improve your focus, energy levels, and overall well-being. Remember, the next time you feel hungry, try drinking a glass of water first. You might be surprised at how often thirst is the real culprit. Sleep, stress, and your appetite. Believe it or not, Lack of sleep and high stress levels can wreak havoc on your hunger hormones. When you don't get enough sleep, your body undergoes a series of changes that can significantly impact your appetite and eating habits. When you're sleep deprived, your body produces more ghrelin, the hormone that stimulates appetite. Ghrelin is often referred to as the hunger hormone because it increases your desire to eat, making you feel hungry even when you might not need more food. Simultaneously, sleep deprivation decreases levels of leptin, the hormone that signals fullness. Leptin is crucial for regulating energy balance by inhibiting hunger, which in turn helps to prevent overeating. This hormonal imbalance can lead to increased hunger and cravings, especially for unhealthy, calorie-dense foods. When your body is tired, it tends to crave quick energy sources, which are often found in sugary and fatty foods. Stress can also trigger the release of cortisol, a hormone that can increase appetite and drive cravings for sugary, fatty foods. Cortisol is known as the stress hormone, and it prepares your body for a fight-or-flight response, which can lead to increased hunger and cravings. Managing stress through exercise, relaxation techniques, and adequate sleep can help regulate your appetite and prevent emotional eating. Activities such as yoga, meditation, and even a simple walk outside can significantly reduce stress levels and help maintain a healthy balance of hunger hormones. Additionally, finding healthy ways to cope with stress, such as journaling, talking to a therapist, or engaging in a hobby, can also contribute to better appetite control. By addressing both sleep and stress, you can create a more balanced and healthy lifestyle. Practical tips for a more satisfying breakfast. Now that we've explored the common reasons behind post-breakfast hunger, let's delve into some practical tips to make your morning meal more satisfying and keep hunger at bay. Prioritize protein. Aim for at least 20 grams of protein at breakfast. Embrace fiber. Include fruits, vegetables, or whole grains in your meal. Choose healthy fats. Incorporate avocado, nuts, or seeds for satiety and flavor. Hydrate, hydrate, hydrate. Drink plenty of water throughout the morning. Don't skip meals. Regular meals help regulate your blood sugar and appetite. Listen to your body, finding what works for you. While these tips provide a general framework for a more satisfying breakfast, remember that everyone's nutritional needs and preferences are unique. Pay attention to how different foods make you feel. Experiment with different breakfast combinations and portion sizes to find what keeps you feeling your best. Don't be afraid to seek guidance from a registered dietitian or nutritionist for personalized advice tailored to your individual needs and goals. Join the conversation. Share your breakfast hacks. Have you discovered any breakfast hacks that keep you feeling full and energized throughout the morning? Share your tips and tricks in the comments below. Let's create a community of support and inspiration as we navigate the world of nutrition and healthy eating. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to the channel for more informative content on health, wellness, and lifestyle.